Yeah, but guys, look at this. It is clowning. There's ambulance over here. More ambulance over there. Let me show you the backyard. Guys, just look at this back patio. Guys, what if... Guys, there's sticks and branches everywhere. Just so bad over here. Guys. Let's check out the scene over here. It's not so bad over here. There's nothing. Oh, I got a better look of the fire people and stuff. Yeah, but guys, there's fire people all over there. And we're just surviving over here. I know what you guys are thinking. If it's a tornado, why are you guys upstairs? Because we're savages. Okay, bye.